Okay, just a short story here. We have Mo Mhála Scoile, my school bag. So I'm going to go through it first and then we'll go back through it for meaning. So Mo Mhála Scoile. Cá bhfuil Mo Mhála Scoile? An bhaca tusa é. An bhfuil isteagat a bhaimí. Car imig sé stray. Níl sé sa chistin. Ná sa seomra sí. Níor thug mé sús an staire é, nuair a chuaigh mé féin a lí. Cinnte bhí sé agam mar cheacht ón scoil inné, mar chríochnaigh mé mo ceachtaine go díreach tar éis an té. Sin é do bhála scoile, is ní rimigh sé stray. Thiar do ghrim atá sé, agus tú féin a chur ann é. Okay, let's go up through for a meaning. So Mo Mhála Scoile, my school bag. Literally my bag of school. See, school is in the genitive form here, has the E, and Mála has the shevu because it's after Mo. So cá bhfuil Mo Mhála Scoile? Where is my school bags? Cá bhfuil, where, be, or is in the present tense, and just like we had above, Mo Mhála Scoile, my school bag. And then we can see him here wondering where his school bag is. An bhaca tusa é. So, did you see it? Or have you seen it? It can be either one basically in English. So, an bhaca, bhaca is the past tense of saw. So, hunnic would be the positive affirmative form, and then it's a question, becomes bhaca, bhaca, and then after an, you'll always have the uru. So, like an will, an bhaca. Tusa is just the emphasized form of you, and a is it. So did you see it? Have you seen it? So here he's talking to his brother. An bhaca tusa é. An bhfuil isteagat a bhaimí. Car imig sé stray. Do you know, Mom, where did it go missing? So an bhfuil a isteagat. A is literally its knowledge. So be, and in a question form, be its knowledge at you. Do you have its knowledge? Do you know? This is how we say it in Irish. A bhaimí, so this is in the vocative case, and that's why it has a shevu, the H. Car imig sé. Where did it go? So imig is kind of gone, and the R here after ka is to kind of indicate that it's in the past. So it's kind of where did go it. Stray is simply astray. Where did it go missing? So you can see here he's asking his mom. Níl sé sa chistin. It's not in the kitchen. So níl is really actually two words in Irish. It's ní and then il. So not and be. Not be it. It is not. Sa, which is in the kitchen, kitchen. And sa is causing the shevu here in kitchen. Ná sa seomra sí. Ná can mean many things in Irish. Here it means or nor in the room of sitting, nor in the sitting room. Níor thug mé sús an staire é. So níor thug mé, I didn't bring sús an staire, I didn't bring it upstairs. So níor thug mé, this is ní in the past, so did not bring, I did not bring sús an staire up the stairs, it. Nuair chuaigh mé féin a lí, when I went to sleep. So chuaigh mé féin, I went myself, a lí to sleep, and then nuair chuaigh mé féin, when I went. So here you can see he's remembering back. Cinnte bhí sé agam mar cheacht ón scoil inné. For sure I had it on my way home from school yesterday. So cinnte is like for sure. Bhí sé agam, it was at me, or I had it. So for sure I had it. Mar cheacht, on my coming, literally, ón scoil, from the school, yesterday, on my return from school yesterday. And again, this has a shevu here because of the word mo before it. So you can see he's remembering it. Mar chríochnaigh mé mo ceachtaine go díreach tar éis an té. Because I finished my lessons directly after the tea or after the dinner. So mar is as. People usually think of this as because, but it's really actually as. As chríochnaigh mé, as I finished mo ceachtaine, my lessons, go díreach, directly. So díreach is direct, go díreach, directly. Tar éis, after, an té, the tea or the dinner. And you can see chríochnaigh here has the shevu because it's the past form of the verb, so it'll always have shevu, chríochnaigh mé. It's not because of the word coming before it. Sin é the Mhála Scoile. That's your school bag, or there's your school bag. So sin é is kind of, there is the Mhála Scoile, your school bag. And again, shevu here because of the word do. So she's pointing it, it's on his back. Is nirimi sé ar stray, and it didn't go missing. Is here kind of means and. It can mean agus essentially. It's the same thing as agus in this case. Near imishe, it didn't go. So again, we see the near in the past form is kind of telling us that it didn't go astray, didn't go missing. Here are the chrim atá sé. On your back it is. So literally this kind of means back. On your back, that it is. So chrim here has a H because it has a shevu because of the word duh. So normally this would be drim, but now it becomes chrim atá sé. Agus tú féin a chur ann é. And it's yourself that put it there, basically. Tú féin, yourself. Chur, put. Yourself that put ann, there, it. And yourself that put. And yourself that put there, it. Yeah, and yourself that put it there. Okay, thanks very much. That's the end of the story. I hope you enjoyed it.